So hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to write a program in which I will print a Fibonacci series. So what is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series is like a series which starts from 0 and it ends to a number given by a user, but inside the series number printed are next number of first two consecutive numbers. So like 0, 1, 1. So here it is printed 1 because sum of 0 and 1 is 1, 2 because sum of 1 and 1 is 2, 3 because sum of 2 and 1 is 3, and so on till a number given by a user. So I'm going to take an input system.out.println, enter the number. Now I'll take input in integer n. Now I'll initialize some variables because in this kind of series we have to do concept of swapping. So swapping is changing the value of one variable into another variable, transferring it from one variable to another. So I will initialize integer a is 0, b is 1 because the loop starts from 1 only. It will find the sum from 1 and so on, and 1 from the sum of the series for these two numbers. So I'm going to run the loop. Integer I is 1, I less than is equals to 1, I plus plus. Now it is an important part of this program that a is equals to p, a is equals to b, and b is equals to s. I have to initialize it also as 0, and s is equals to a plus b. So first let us understand the logic of this part. So what is given as a is initialized as 0 and the loop start from 1, that 1 is being printed 0 and then start from 1, and after that 1 is transferred to value of s. So 1, and after that the initial value of b is 1, so the sum of 0 and 1 is 1, and this process will continue till the given number by the user, and every time the number of b is increased because of this sum. So now we should run this program. First I should erase this and run this program. Wait, I haven't printed the sum. It will come an error. System.out.print. With the space we'll print the sum s. Now we rerun this program. The same program. Now we enter 5. So here we can see that the loop has started from 1, and after that sum of 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 1 is 2, and 2 1 3, and 3 plus 2 5, and so on. I am again rerun this program, and now I print 10. So here you can see that 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, and 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 13, and so on till 55. So this is how we print Fibonacci series in a program. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, and if you want more interesting videos of Java like this, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.